Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix you're in TalkBack mode on OPPO Reno 12 Pro 5G. So if you want to use TalkBack but you don't want to see the watermark, then behind it you will see the watermark prompt option. And we need to select it, so you can tap on the option once and then double tap in order to turn off the watermark. However, if you don't want to use TalkBack at all, then all you need to do is use the shortcut, that is 2 volume buttons pressed down for 3 seconds. So if you press and hold both volume buttons for 3 seconds, then you will turn off TalkBack. However, if the TalkBack is enabled and the shortcut doesn't work, then you can go to settings. So you need to use two fingers to swipe and scroll. Select the settings app and then double tap. Scroll down to accessibility and convenience, select and double tap. Select accessibility and double tap. Go to vision, so select and double tap, then TalkBack. And now over here, select TalkBack and double tap. Select stop, double tap, and it should be off. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.